Animals, written by Sherry Ryan. There are many kinds of animal. The elk is in the deer family. Male elk have large antlers. Elk are excellent swimmers and can run very fast. Giraffes are very tall with long necks. Giraffes have spots all over their bodies and short horn on their heads. Giraffes live in savannas and open woodlands. Elephants are the largest land animals alive today. Elephants have long trunks and ivory tusks. They live in grassland and forest. Snow leopards live on cold mountains. They have a thick fur to stay warm. They hunt wild goats, sheep, and other animals. This camel has a long winter coat. When it is well fed, its humps stand up. The humps fall to one side if the camel has not eaten. Camels live in both hot and cold weathers. The fox is in the dog family. It lives in a burrow. Foxes eat small animals, insects, fruit, and eggs. Unlike dogs, foxes like to hunt alone. The zebra is in the horse family. Zebras have white and black stripes and live in grassland. The men stand straight up on their necks. The great gray kangaroo carries its baby in its pouch. It uses its strong back legs to hop. Kangaroos eat grass and other plants. The hippopotamus spends most of its time in water. It has almost no hair and eats grass and water plants. Its eyes and nostrils stick out so that it can see and breathe when underwater. Polar bears live in cold places. They have a thick fur. They eat seal, walrus, small mammals, birds, and fish. There are many kinds of animals.
Good job!